The L1 defense wall, which is a lava berm, has been breached by the flow of the lava through a lava tube over the night. The second wall we built during the night is now overwhelmed, breached. As you can see, is the smoke rising from it. And the third wall is under construction. This is a very fastly developing situation. Our machinery are working there to save the Svartsengi. Svartsengi is not clear is open or not, but this is the what I can see here. I can annotate it for you. This is the L1 wall. Second wall is already burning, overwhelmed, and third one is there. Second wall is actually encircled now, it seems, from two directions, from the two lava flows and the third one, which is a single one. And this is the map, the three lava flows coming through the lava tubes. First defense wall breached, second one breached and encircled, and third one is under construction. I will keep you updated about this. This is going really fast, and we have to keep an eye on this.